They even one time tried to insinuate that we were wrong and that for them they were not in the road reserve. We carried out a survey. We showed them to the extent which they were in the road reserve. We have had meetings, but arriving at nothing because we have told them, please leave. Instead, what they did, some others now started even constructing more illegal structures.
Batanya nyumba za faka tunayogera twade tulekawa na netugenda okukola kati tetuna wakola bakubale takesi setu yambe emenya nyetu tase akagenda kafuna nedda ange kakupenze tuyambe bamubana baja kusura wa bamubana bora baba tuli kungudo tuli wano kubona baja kusura wa kakupenze yambo edda muzena wasarebo muzena sareto okora nedda bambe.
Then the room was that I told him to first paint the room. He told me, I cannot paint the room when you have not paid the fourth month. And now I paid him the fourth money on the fourth, the fourth month on fourth. That is 120 times 4, that is 480. And I'm just a student, now where will I begin from?
Omusango guli kukerezia. Kubanga father Mungereza. Yenna nyini kuwandiika bbaluwa n'agitwala mu City Council. Balina omuwala ali ku kakiiko ka Kereziya ate akolera mu City Council yenna nyini bintu bino kubigoba bwati okulaba nti bajja okutumenya. Ne ku ssaawa eno ne kansala agambye babadde bali mu nteesaganya.